Guys, and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation, 2022 Toyota Tundra. Let me show you what I have. Let's get to the video. Okay, today I was doing some installation, tow hooks. I was doing the fog light on the front, but this 2022, this is a TRD off-road. The dealer, I don't know why they didn't do an installation on this Toyota logo on the front. They only did the sides, SR5, and same thing on the other side. I don't know why they didn't do that one. It doesn't have any sensors on it. So customer get some new black badges. They're gonna be overlay. Obviously they go on top of the existing, but you have to get the whole kit. He's not gonna need all SR5 and Tundras, and he only gonna need the one on the front. You have to get the whole set, but I don't know why this dealer they didn't put that one on the front. So installation is gonna be very simple. Once I finish the installation, I'm gonna show you how it looks, and link is gonna be in the description for these overlay badges. These ones, they're from CarTrimHome. I'm gonna put the link in the description if you wanna get them. Installation is very simple. These new overlays, they have 3M adhesive. You just have to remove the paper. I'm gonna clean and degrease the badge so this one sticks really good, doesn't fall off, and it's gonna look really good. It's better than the chrome. That's how it looks now. That's how it looks before. Obviously it will look better with all this chrome on black, but probably we're gonna see that later. That's how it's gonna look now. As you can see, I removed the paper already. The badge is clean. You just have to press firm on it, make sure that everything sticks. And that's the new look. As you can see, covers the whole chrome. You don't see any chrome anymore, and it looks a lot better. Probably the next installation is gonna be the mustache. We're gonna black it out, but everything now is blacked out. So there you have it, guys. It's installation. If you want to black out all your badges on these new Tundras, I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this set, because obviously it looks a lot better on black. Big difference now. So guys, I'll leave it with this. I hope you like this episode. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.